Okay, on Dave's Cooking Show for you today, we have a marinated pork tenderloin. I suppose you could make this the main event of your Christmas celebration, but it also makes a nice, fine side dish. All right, let's talk about the marinade. First up, you want a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, 1 clove of garlic, and then you want to add about 3 tablespoons or so of Dijon mustard. Then just whisk till combined. All right, let's get the pork ready. Should be looking something like this when you're done. Okay, as you can see, I got about a 2-pound or so pork tenderloin in the bag here. I love these resealable plastic bags. And then you want to basically pour all that marinade in the bag. And then you basically want to start rolling this pork around in the marinade. And just kind of roll it around. Also keep rolling it so you get as much air out of that bag as possible. Seal it on up, roll it around, and then you want to marinate this for at least an hour before cooking. I did mine for 2. Okay, pork loin is done marinating, and we have the oven set to 350. I decided to cut mine in half because, well, I'll show you in a second. The reason is I basically wanted to make sure the vessel was small enough where the marinade would actually do something for the pork. Because you're going to want to pour that marinade, all of it, all over your pork, and then pop into your oven for 45 minutes to an hour, or until the pork reads at least 160 internally. Okay, through the magic of cooking show editing, our pork is done. Now, cover it with tin foil, not completely, leave at least one little part of it open, and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Very important to let your meat rest. Okay, it's rested, time to carve it. Cut it on an angle, kind of layer it on top of each other, and that's it. A nice marinated pork loin. Done. There you go. Little sample for the chef.